Hi then guys, welcome to another episode. So this is gonna be a Christmas special episode. I didn't plan it on filming today. I would like stay home chilling with my kids and my wife, but something came into the mail just right now. So today is Christmas Eve, and I just gonna do this Christmas special episode related to the RAV4. So if you guys remember, let me put the camera over here. Few episodes back, I purchased these LED switchbacks that it was supposed to be plug and play. I'm gonna put that episode right here so you can go and see it, because these ones didn't work. So now they gave me my money back and they told me to keep it. You know how eBay works, but I thought it was gonna be really good. Then I purchased another set, which are those right there, switchbacks. So the type of switchbacks that I have right now, they're really good. They're white and then they're amber when you use your turn signal. In the other hand, these ones, I like these ones a little bit better, because these ones, they stay white, but when you put your turn signal or your hazards, it goes white amber, white amber. I like this setup a lot. On the Accord, these ones, they go white, and when you use your turn signals, it goes completely amber. So this is a nice setup too. So now I went again and I purchased another set. It just got here today. This one's supposed to be a lot better than those, and this episode is not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money, so this is really good. Currently to the reviews that I check online, no error code, no hyperflash. CyneticUSA.com. This is their website, just in case you want to go and check these ones out. This is gonna be for the 2018 RAV4, and this is gonna be white and yellow, 5630, 7443. So these LEDs, they're supposed to be really good. I'm gonna open them in a little bit. Why I wanna change this setup is because you have the resistor right here, and we have to make a splice on the cables. This is a brand new truck. I don't want to take the truck to service and then the dealer void my warranty because I'm making a splice on the cables, so that's one of the reasons why I want us to switch to a plug and play system, which this one, I'm gonna open it right now so you can see. This is gonna be the new setup, and like I said, they're not paying me for this, but whatever result we get, we're gonna see it in this episode. And I'm not sure, I don't know yet if they're gonna work and how they're gonna work. Hopefully they do work. I'm not gonna show this, but I just gotta cut this, remove the splice on the cables, and then connect everything, and you're gonna see when I get these ones installed. Okay guys, if you see right here, I remove the connectors. This is the metal that goes in between the cables, and I remove the bulb. Now hopefully this one, like I said, hopefully this one works, so in case I have to take my truck to the dealer, doesn't void my warranty. And I'm not sure it's gonna void it. Like I said, I just try to make sure that everything's gonna be alright when I take my truck to do any service. Now I just gotta put some tape in the cables, because you know what happens when you put this type of clips on the cables. And I'm just gonna try on one side. Hopefully this plug and play works. Connection is right here, and this one is supposed to just go in. Okay, that one goes well. Now just plug it in, and then when I turn the lights on, see if it works. Oh, you see that one right there is brighter. The orange is brighter than the old setup, which I like it. and it looks like they work. But let me turn the turn signals on and my lights and see how they look. But for now, you can see that color right there. It's not really bright orange. You see this one is brighter. I like it more already. So that's the current setup. That's the new setup. Let's turn the lights on and the turn signals. Lights are on. Look at now. That's what I was looking for, guys. This is turns white and amber when you do put your turn signals. That's what I was looking for on this new setup. Amazing. So now let me go ahead and put the hazards to see how both look. See that, guys? That's the new setup, and this is just amber. When I turn the hazards off, it's gonna go back to white. Look at that. Amazing. That's what I was looking for. That's the same setup that I have on my Accord, and yes, they work. Now I gotta put the other one, and then when I have the new setup, and if you wanna check these lights, check them. Like I say, I don't get paid to say this, but this new setup, I like it. Not like these ones, they didn't work. Look at that. Amazing, guys. Really good. So I already removed everything for the passenger side. Now we're just gonna plug this one in, and that one just go inside. You don't have to twist or anything. It just go inside really easy. Let me show you right here. And it's waterproof, so this is really convenient. And I was testing these ones while I have the lights on. They don't get hot. It says the label here to be careful, warning, because the metal might get very hot, but they don't get hot at all. They get a little warm, but still I'm gonna put some zip ties and put it somewhere where it's not touching any cables. But other than that, guys, it's just plug and play. Amazing. Let me connect that one to the stock connector, and then we'll be ready to turn the lights and see on the new setup. I'm not sure if you put it one way it works the same like the other, but we're just gonna try one way and turn the lights on. After I finish this, obviously I'm gonna put black tape on my cables and get these ones out of the way. I'm gonna make it look nice, but for now it's done. Let me turn the lights on and see how it looks. Okay, guys, there you have it. Now the new setup is a lot better than the last setup, and like I said, I'm gonna put the first episode where these ones didn't work. The second episode, I'm gonna put it right here, the one that we had to make splices on the cable, which are not recommended. I'm gonna put it right here right now, and you can see on the third time I have the setup that I was looking for, because it's the same setup that I have on my Accord. And let me show you that. You see that I have some demonized, you guys already know, turn signals with my LED, and same setup, white and orange on the turn signals. Okay, we have the same setup right here. What do you guys think? And now we're gonna remove the hazards, and now without the hazards, they're just white. Let's do the same on the Accord. Same thing. I'm really happy about finding a good setup for switchbacks on the turn signals for the RAV4. Same setup that I have, kind of like the same setup that I have on my Accord, white and amber at the same time. This orange is a little bit brighter than the last setup, and look at it. Amazing. I'm really happy with the new setup. I already fixed everything. I put some zip ties in here just to make sure that this one is out of the way, it's not moving around, and it's not hot at all. Doesn't get hot at all, guys. That's the best part. And like I said, guys, this is a Christmas special, So today, like it's Christmas, I want to thank everybody for watching the channel, for being connected to help the channel grow. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, guys. Hopefully you like this new setup for the RAV4. Finally, I think I'm gonna be okay on the lighting, but you guys already know. If something else came out, I'm gonna check it out. And tell me what you think about these ones. And once again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.